tired, in no mood to cook. Neither was I tonight. So what I did is I assembled my dinner. So let me show you how. In this video, we're going to talk about how we make high protein veggie wraps for dinner and maybe for tomorrow's lunch as well. So let's get to it. Do you see this? It took me literally minutes to make this dinner. So I had to grab a camera and show you guys what I've done, okay? Before I forget it and before it never happens again. Because that's how my brain works. All right. So basically what I had is half an English cucumber, one big carrot, so use a medium carrot because I have leftover, one red bell pepper, and 1/3 to 1/2 of a head of lettuce of choice. I had a head of romaine. It's kind of half gone, so I'd say half. So I shredded the lettuce by knife, thinly sliced it, and then I used my mandolin, this thing, to, you see the setting here? To julienne the cucumber, the carrots, and the red bell pepper. And that's that. That's 1/2. I used half for my dinner, and I'm going to make 2 wraps for my husband as well. So basically for mine, I took half of whatever was in this bowl. And then I shredded 2 vegan hot dogs into it, and I mixed it up. And then I made a dressing from a heaping soup spoon of mayo, half of soup spoon of Dijon mustard, and a teaspoon of maple syrup. And I mixed it, added it to all that mixture with hot dogs and this, mixed it well, and then I wrapped it into 2 wraps. It was quite messy on the counter, but I've done it. So once I rolled it up, then I wrapped it in paper so that it doesn't fall apart when I'm eating it. And this is my wonderful dinner. Protein wrap, 2 vegan hot dogs. So I am getting 13 and 13 is 26, and 16, I'm getting 42 grams of protein right here, plus the protein from the veg. So let's say 45 grams of protein for dinner. That's not bad. All right. Eat well. Keep it simple. Your body will thank you. I love you all. And if you enjoyed what I just presented you, you can just click on that subscribe, follow me in my next video, and enjoy the journey.